Korean legal profession. I've given attorney Lee Jun-hyuk, the General Affairs Manager, both this file on the survival mindset and strategies of the Korean legal profession in the AI era, as well as a general file. If you download and print both files and bind them together, you'll have a single volume. Bill Gates and Steve Jobs tend to use image-focused slides in their presentations. That way, it looks dazzling and incredibly impressive. I know that too. But when the lecture is over, nothing really sticks with you. That's the downside of image-focused presentations. That's why mine is text-based. I made all of it myself. There's no one behind me making this for me. For 36 years, people have constantly misunderstood, thinking I have a special team working for me. But there's no special team behind me, just my smartphone and laptop. That's my special team. When I was at the court, I also taught a lot of classes on making PowerPoint presentations for arguments. If there are contentious, technical, or difficult issues, you must suggest to the presiding judge that you present your arguments with a PowerPoint and use that opportunity to educate both the presiding and the assigned judge in the courtroom. Even if you submit briefs that are over 30 pages, 60, 70 pages, or in a recent case, someone even submitted a 500-page book to the Supreme Court, doing that is meaningless if the judge can't or won't read it. Even writing 100 pages is pointless. When you have a judge who doesn't read, there's nothing more effective than persuading them with an oral argument using PowerPoint. And on the first page of every written submission, you must always include a summary inside the rectangular text box, either on one page or two. Every document submitted under the name of Kang Min-koo, the representative attorney of law firm Dual, comes with a summary in a box. Why? Because for 36 years, it was so difficult for me, all because of the 99.9% of lawyers who don't submit summaries. Now, if you use the AI we're learning about today to create a summary, it takes just a split second. I'll show you how to make one. If you can make a summary in 1 second but don't submit it just because you don't know how, then you'd be a fool. There will be more than a few things today that you're hearing for the first time in your life, so make sure to enrich your minds. As of today, by international age, I'm 65, well, actually 66, because my mom registered my birth a year late, thanks to my mother in heaven. I got to enjoy over 10 extra months of life. If an old lawyer like me is living this diligently, then you young people, especially the many young associate lawyers, you really need to be fired up. Just watch what we do today. In the meantime, I have scheduled visits to law firms like Dongin, Class Hangyeol, and in October, Jipyong and SLMB, my calendar is fully booked. The Constitutional Court, Suwon Court Complex, Daegu Court Complex, Busan Court Complex, Jeju Court Complex, and the Southern District Prosecutor's Office. Like a madman jumping around, this has continued ever since I was a judge. It's not because I enjoy doing this. By sharing even a kernel of what I know, I'm essentially helping to nurture competitors in the same industry. When I go to Class Hangyeol law firm to give a lecture, one of the attendees is actually someone who is currently opposing me in a case. It's like leaking confidential information to the enemy. Why do I do it? Because I find it so frustrating. I want us to work together and move forward together. People curse at me, calling me an AI avatar, an AI stooge, or an AI ambassador, but sometimes I just want to completely change the way they think. I'm not an AI avatar, okay? So today, it's about AI.